got the Mario and Luigi. You see Luigi right there? See right there? But anyways, good thing I haven't finished opening this toad yet. Yeah. The next one is Toad. I like this car, it's cool. That is the Sportsmobile, I guess. Wow, look at it. His wheels move wiggly. The next thing is Donkey Kong cart. Oh, I forgot Yoshi's here. We don't have to tell him. Come on, sit by me, Yoshi. Sit on my lap. I'm your daddy. This next one is Hunky Dong. Oh wait, they both are different. Look, let's see, different. See, they're very different. Okay, the next one. The last one, but it's not the last prize. The last prize is, and the reason I'm recording prizes is because I think like you guys are saying, oh my gosh, this is the worst YouTuber ever. He doesn't even record toys. No, he's recording it. Of course. I'm recording opening toys packs. These are just gifts that I just got right now. How do I open this dumb thingy? Where's the dumb person? Hold on, guys. Okay, open this. And man, that's a yellow car, right? 4 girls. Oh, wait. No, you're not. You're a boy, Mr. Yoshi. Okay. The final ones is this rainbow ball that I just got it for 25 cents. Market. And this creeper thing, it was a treasure chest that I found. And this thing is quite ugly, right? And the other thing I got is 2 t-shirts, or yes, shirts. Whatever. I'm supposed to say, I got a Mario one. Super Mario Maker. Mekwaka. Huh? It says, it's kind of...
Junior, ya quita eso, que voy a hablar.
Okay. No, pausa. The final thing is this one. A shirt. Oh. See? And that was all. Now that's Ruru. So Donkey Honky car, Toady Toad car, Toad, Luigi car, Mario Mary car, and then Peachy Patchy car. Then this one, then Mr. Creeper. Look all around. Then a ball, bouncy ball. Super Mario Maker teacher, and then this shirt, working shirt. But see you, YouTube. I hope you subscribe and leave a like, please, if you liked the toys. Let's throw ourselves in the floor, Yoshi. See you guys.